Hello everyone, I am here for the demonstration of our summer project ChordIt done under ITSP IIT Bombay. Our project aims for extraction of guitar chords from an input audio file using machine learning. The code is written in Python language. So this is the main file. When you run it, it will ask you for which model to use. Use the latest model for better performance. We are constantly improving our models by gathering more and more data. Now you have to input the path of your input audio file, and the code will return most probable chord sequence almost immediately. Basically, it outputs chord of every 0.5 seconds, so you know which chord is involved during that interval, and according to beats, you can set the strumming pattern and play the guitar. Also, you can input whole song. We have this remove vocals code that will remove vocals from a song satisfactorily. We have this trainer for developers so that we can expand our data set. When you run the trainer and enter your test data, it will show you the chord predicted by our model. In this case it's correct, but if it is not, you enter no and we will ask you to enter the correct chord, and hence we will improve our data set. We have achieved an accuracy of over 95% on our test data containing recording of a single guitar chord, but the error increases when you input a chord progression or a song because of noises of other instruments and junctions of two chords, etc. By gathering more and more data and using efficient algorithms, we are trying to overcome this limitation. For more technical informations, kindly go through our final documentation, whose link is shared in the caption. Thanks for watching.